All right, everyone. Here is a Winix triple function humidifier slash Airwasher. This is Winix's answer to a humidifier. Now, as you're probably aware, I've owned a whole bunch of different humidifiers. However, I think this is my favorite. How this unit works is so effective, but it's so easy to use and maintain. I couldn't be without it. So as you're probably aware, I swear by Winix. Love their plasma wave air purifiers. However, I wanted to try some of their other products, and I noticed that they make these air washers. And it's really just a nice little unit. Now, in this demonstration, I'm gonna just show it without the water, because you can even just run it as an air purifier, and I'll get to that in a little bit, but I figured I'd show you just how this thing works. So, essentially this is a evaporative humidifier. If you just pull this down, instead of using a disposable filter, this actually uses a set of plastic discs that have been treated with this clean cell technology, which reduces the bacteria in the water. Now, of course, you still have to clean the unit, but this will reduce the growth quite a lot. And there is a gear right there. There's a gearbox inside of the unit. I don't know if you can see that or not. It spins slowly. And the principle behind this is you fill this tank up with water, and as these slowly spin, they whisk up water, being evaporative. There is a fan on the top that I'll show you. This top portion comes off to clean, which I absolutely love. And it humidifies these discs, and that air goes through the fan and gets pushed out through the grills into the room. I think it's just such an effective filter because you don't have to replace it. You just clean it and you're done. It's a very simple unit to maintain. I love that. Now, triple function, this is because it also has a HEPA filter and carbon filter in the back, as well as a little pre-filter too, which is a bonus. This is just absolutely amazing. So behind that is a carbon filter, and on the other side is just your standard HEPA filter. I won't get that out because it's quite hard to do with one hand, but all you do is you take that little tab right there and you pull it out and your filter comes right out. So that's that. And then you can just twist this little top here. 1 second. So after you twist that out, this top just comes right out so you can actually clean the fan. This is what the fan looks like on the inside. It's actually really steeply pitched blade that moves a lot of air, and it sounds really nice. It's not at all annoying. It's actually really quiet in operation. And right behind, if you can see that, I think I lost it. I don't know if you can see it in there or not, but there is a small little plasma wave. Oh, it's right there. There is also a plasma wave generator inside. Because what is a Winix unit without the plasma wave? Gotta have that. You can even take this blade off too. And of course, being a Winix product, this actually does use a brushless DC motor. It's got a nice little hum to it. Here's the controls. So on here, you do have on and off, auto, continuous, and sleep. 3 fan speeds, a timer, plasma wave, child lock, and you can even just use this unit if you push this without water to trigger the filter and the plasma wave on the unit. So it basically functions as just an air purifier too. So let me go ahead and just put this back on. Let's go ahead and demonstrate this unit. Oh, and it also does something cool too. So it does show that there's no water in there. but there's a sensor on here that will actually shut off the unit so nobody can get hurt by the blades. Let's just twist the locking mechanism back into place. All right, we are ready to go. So here's the unit on. So it's going to start off on low. Maybe. There we go. Super quiet on low. Here's medium. And finally, here's high. So it definitely makes a nice little white noise on high. And it's not terribly loud at all. In fact, the low setting is very, very, very quiet. I think this coming winter I'll actually make a re-video of this unit and show you all the features with the water. These units aren't as big as they are in Korea, where Winix, of course, is from, South Korea. But they are just fantastic units. You know, not having to replace that evaporative filter on there because it's just got the spinning plastic discs. And the only thing you really have to replace is the actual HEPA filter. And you don't even have to do that if you don't want that. That's just another way to keep the air and the water clean. You also can do the timer too. Oops. When we do back on high again, because it does sound really cool. And well, that's really all there is to it. That is the Winix Plasma Wave Triple Function Humidifier, Plasma Wave Generator, and Air Purifier. Thank you so much for watching.